City of Homestead How-To Video Series. Hi there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into your Adobe applications. Adobe has several popular applications including Acrobat, Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere, as well as many more. If your department has requested a license to be assigned to you for a specific Adobe application, then you will be able to sign into that application using your email address and city password, meaning the same password you currently use to get into your PC. For the purposes of showing the sign-on process, I'm going to use Adobe Acrobat as my example. A couple quick points before we get started. 1. Before you sign into your Adobe application, make sure you are first signed out of any older Adobe accounts. Open the Adobe application, click on the account icon at the top right, and if it is currently signed in, just click on the Sign Out option. 2. If you have an existing digital signature in Acrobat, and your IT department recreated your Adobe account, you will have to recreate this digital signature after signing in with your new account. Let's now get started with how to sign into your Adobe application using Acrobat as an example. First, let's launch Adobe Acrobat on your computer. You can do this right from the Windows search bar. When Acrobat starts, it will take a few seconds before this prompt appears. To have you sign in, choose the More Sign-In Options link at the bottom. Next, choose Continue with Microsoft. For many of you, this step alone will be enough to complete your Adobe sign-in process. However, if you get prompted to sign into Microsoft, then enter your city email address at this prompt. After you do so, click the Next button. You will then be asked to enter your city password. After you do so, click the Sign-In button. And that's it. After a few seconds, you will notice that you are signed into Acrobat via the account icon at the top right of Acrobat. Hopefully this video got you going. If you need further assistance, the Innovation and Technology Department is an email or phone call away.